Hello. The purpose of this lesson is to learn how to, number one, place a sheet of paper on the drafting table. Number two, make parallel lines with a T-square. And number three, make perpendicular lines with a T-square and triangle. Okay, let's look at the items that we'll need to do this. The items that we'll need to do this project is a T-square, a drafting table, a triangle, possibly a ruler, a nice sharp pencil, and a blank sheet of paper. You might want to get 4 pieces of tape so that you can tape down your the paper. Okay, let's begin. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is make sure that your T-square is square with the drafting table at all times. Okay, first thing we're going to do is put the sheet of paper on the drafting table. Make sure that the sheet of paper is square with the plastic guide right here. Hold your T-square down, make sure that it's square, and put a piece of tape on all 4 corners. Now all your lines should be parallel when you draw. The second objective is to make parallel lines with the T-square. Take your pencil and make sure your T-square is square with the drafting table. Draw your first parallel line. Draw your next one. Draw your next one. This one's not dark enough, so I'm going to draw it one more time so that you can see that all the lines are parallel. Okay, and you can do that as many times as you need to. Let's do it one more time. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is make lines perpendicular to these parallel lines. That's our last objective. I'm going to take my triangle, make sure that my T-square is square with the drafting table, and put my triangle on top of my T-square. I'm going to draw my first perpendicular line, and I can do that as many times as I want. And these lines will be parallel to each other, but perpendicular to the lines we previously drew. Okay? So we went over 3 objectives. The first objective was how to place a sheet of paper on the drafting table. Number 2, how to make parallel lines with a T-square. And then number 3, how to make perpendicular lines with a T-square and a triangle. Happy drawing!